Hi, good morning. It's me, Josie. Um, I hope that you will enjoy my video for today and the one yesterday. At the moment, I am here in Frensham in Sussex. And as you can see, I had my silver hair now, which that means I'm not getting any younger as everybody not getting younger, that includes me. By the way, I just like to film where we are at the moment. We had Lodge Cottage, which is really nice, and I cannot show you everything. I can film everything. I don't really like to film any beds or any toilet like that. I can just show you the kitchen, and to give you an idea, that's the kitchen. It's a bit messy. I had something to cook there later, but this is my gimbal. Unfortunately, is sorry, is misbehaving again. My gimbal is misbehaving again. So I didn't manage to do it because I got problems with was Bluetooth, and unfortunately it's messing around with me and misbehaving again. So I'm doing my little tripod again, and I'm holding it with my hands. Just gonna show you the this is the living room. That's all I can show you at the moment, which is really nice. We really enjoy it here. And that's outside there. Yeah, some people with cars and all that. And that's the fire. That's the fire, and that's the television. And that's the frame, and that's me. And it's very lovely. And I got some, as you can see, there are some houses here as well that if you're interested. And there's a balcony there. I'm gonna adjust the fire. I'm gonna sit here for a little while, and I'm just gonna have a little chat. Oh well, I had my black dress, and obviously this is my skirt. That's my skirt. It's a nice color, and that's it. And that's the kitchen. I would like to sit here because I got a nice view here. Otherwise, I just had the kitchen all the time. And I'll sit here because I like you to see that little fire there. That's our fire. And I hope you enjoy that. And I'll just show you again the kitchen and the whole lot. It is very frustrating for me. I must apologize for some of my viewers if you're watching my channel. It can be any channel because I got Gandaville and I got Giselle at Heartstring, and I made it up, don't ask me. Because my name is Jocelyn, and I just made it up, my other channel. And this is just a little talk about what I'm doing now. As I said, we used to travel a lot. My husband loved to travel. he just loved to travel. So we travel most of other countries in some parts of the world. So far I can count, but I'm gonna make a video again. I actually had quite a lot of, we've been to so many places. I can count from Europe, we've been to Hungary, Bulgaria, Budapest, Spain, you name it. There's so many places that we've been to: Spain, Costa Tigris, Tenerife. Some of them I can't remember, but I just gonna put that in all my description. It's probably about, all in all, more than 80 countries, apart from London, and because we live in London, so that is our main base, London. And we went to Far East, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, China, Shanghai, Taiwan, and other places that I cannot remember. And wow, I can't remember some of them. As I said, I just gonna put that all in my description. By the way, we've been this year. We traveled from Scotland, in Iran, in oh God, I can't remember the names, some of them, but it's in my mind. I have my video with it, so you can watch it if you want, in Coimbra, something like that. But it's really lovely. We really enjoy it, and we move forward again. We've been to England with our friends, and also we just come from New Forest, and now we're here in Frensham Common, which is in Sussex. Sorry, not Sussex, sorry. And we really enjoy the place. As you see, the places that we've been, I really like to sit in here to see that fire. That is really lovely, that fire. Anyway, I can go back here again and had a little chat. This is a nice city, in which is really lovely city. The seat, the sofa, and as I said, because I had not been really uploading too much video at the moment, so just to have a little chat with my viewers. If you are my viewers, thanks for watching my channel. And as I said before, I never really earn money in YouTube, and I'm actually paying every month with my tube buddy, but I never really earn money at all. So anyway, just a bit of fun. So I don't know, sometimes I'm getting a bit fed up with it, and I was thinking to delete it forever, and because I'm not getting anywhere, I'm not going nowhere, and no one really watch anyway. But anyway, I'm still here. I'm still here. As so far, we are here in Frensham, and we're going back home tomorrow in London. We're not very far. We're probably 2 hours, more or less 2 hours from here in Frensham Common. This is a very beautiful place, especially today, not today, this autumn. We got all the foliage. It's really lovely. And tomorrow we're going home. How I was supposed to use the gimbal, but I don't think I can, because it's misbehaving again, my gimbal. And now I haven't got that Scion either, so I had to bring it back. download it again because it's been erased by these apps. I don't really understand all these apps. These apps, they just keep interfering all the time. I don't really understand the apps. I don't need apps. Sorry, mate. I'm being really upset with all these apps. What's all that about anyway? Sometimes it gets you irritated and just you don't know where you're going. It's every time they just pop up and they want you to click on it. It's so irritating. But anyway, I'm getting a bit grumpy. As you can see, I'm entitled to. I got silver hair. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my channel. It's been a pleasure that you're still there, some of you watching my channel, and I hope you enjoy it today. It's just a little bit of really just to let you know that I'm still here. As keep saying that I'm really getting fed up because of this tube body. I'm paying a lot of money and I'm not really going nowhere, to be honest. And I don't know, maybe next year I have to think about it. I can be that bad. Or maybe I change it to something else. Maybe that BIDQ that might help. So I get rid of that tube body and change it to something else. But anyway, in here it's 1:45 in the afternoon. So I just want to say hello to everyone and thank you so much for watching my channel. And as I said before, I'm gonna have to teach my violin. You can learn it from me if you want, but anyway, just a little bit of fun. And once I finish this, I'll show you how to do it, and so that will help people as well to learn how to play the violin. Well, with my piano it's not easy because I haven't got the piano. I had a piano at home but I cannot bring it. It's too big to carry around. But I got my violin. I bring it all the time because sometimes I used to practice, which is I'm still learning it as well myself. So we can all learn it. And I see you in a minute. And thank you so much for watching my channel. It's me, Josie, from any of my channel. It can be Gandaville, it can be the other channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.